back with another boom-ba-clot video. It's your boy Mansa Man. We back again with another lit unboxing, guys. Go ahead and unbox the Yeezy Supermoon 500. It's been a trend lately. Dad shoes have been coming out. People wearing, well, people always been wearing dad hats, but it's dad hats and dad shoes, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're gonna go ahead, unbox these Yeezys. I'm gonna put them on feet, let you guys see how you can swag them a little bit. If you haven't already, please go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, turn your notifications, let you know when I'm posting a video. Comment down what else y'all wanna see, man. Lately, I've been doing a lot of unboxing. If you want me to purchase something, you wanna see like a review on it, or you wanna see my reaction on, just comment it down below. Let me know what y'all wanna see. Yeah, let's just get right into this video. No talk, let's get into this video. Alright guys, so yeah, a lot of people have been sleeping on these, man.
I'm taking a nap!
You wanna take a nap?
I'm taking a nap here.
Okay, take a nap right there then.
Good night.
You sleeping right now on these Yeezys? You need to cop these. By the end of this video, I'm gonna make you want to cop some. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox these bad boys. Alright. Yo, I'm still gonna open the box on from the bottom. This is the bottom of the box, guys.
Got him! Got him!
Alright. We got the 500 Yeezy 500. This is a size 11. Sturdy box as usual. The other side, you know, just your regular Yeezy box. Slides out just like all the other Yeezy boxes do. Same type of paper material. Okay, we're gonna get into the shoe. So here they are. The beautiful, gorgeous
That's a new piece.
Yeezy 500 Supermoon. I don't know, they're not as yellow as you would think they are. Like, it's more like a beige yellow, I guess you could say. They're not like yellow. The inside kind of looks a little greenish though, the inside. It does have the ortholite sole in the inside. The bottom of the shoe here, a lot of different little designs there at the bottom of the shoe. Looks pretty dope. I've seen Nick Young wear these on the court a few times. He was wearing the blushes. I think I could probably hoop in these shoes. I wouldn't personally hoop in these shoes, but you could hoop in these shoes like if you wanted to hoop in them. All right, we're gonna take that out. So here's the bottom here. Has Adidas. Y'all sleeping. Y'all sleeping on these here. Stop sleeping. Like, you can still cop these for a fairly good price on StockX. I got mine from Yeezy Supply. I was lucky enough to cop 2 pair. So like, there's still a chance for you to get a pair of these on StockX. I would go on StockX and get you a pair. If you don't know what StockX is, guys, this is 2018.
Welcome to StockX, an actual stock market for sneakers.
StockX is a site where it's basically stock market for shoes.
It's actually a stock market of things.
You can go on StockX and sell them. I don't know how long they're gonna be at that price, but y'all better get on these before they go up, because they will go up. Trust me, Yeezy's gonna go up. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what they look like on feet. Comment below what you guys think.
Came up, you know I'm started. I done changed everything but my number. Yeah, you should've called me, but I know you hate me. I got these niggas, baby mamas in the video naked. Yeah, but now these nights get way black. I don't smoke blacks, I just smoke weed, but no green crack. Keep it OG, he don't know me, I'm gon' bust back. I'm with my homies, with your bitch, I brought the cognac. He said he'll know that, but now he know that. And I got a girl out in Frisco.
Let me know what you guys think about the sneaker. Like I said, if you want to get these now, StockX right now. Download the apps. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned to the next video. Peace.